Hello, rappers and girls. Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Wednesday. You know what that means. Wish Wednesday. You have a song you want to learn, and this is the day you have your chance. So, is it any way you can bump up your chance to get your song on this channel? Yes, it is, because I have a new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. You can go and subscribe to that channel and leave me a comment here on this one and mention your song you want to learn. Plus, add the info that you have subscribed to my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. In that way, I will put you higher on the list. Great deal, huh? So, most certainly, you can get a higher chance to get your song here on this channel. And yeah, speaking of who and what, we have you, Leah. This is a short version of your name. I will call you Leah. You asked for a song from Henrik. It's called Soft Spots, okay? So, here we are. Thank you, Leah, for being here on this channel. Now let's look into the Soft Spot song. Without any capo, we're gonna look into like 5 chords. 5 chords we need to handle. So let's start with A first. That goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have B minor next, which is a bar chord. You place it in his finger like this on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings except from that last E string. The bass, you don't need that one, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Then comes the G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Then we have the D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally, speaking of E, that's the last chord. So you're going to play open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. All right, so to handle these chords, we're going to play this. So it's up, down, up, down. So up, down with kind of delay, and then fast up, down. So that is the rhythm. Up, down, up, down. And in a context, up, down, up, down, up, down. We'll come to strumming and all that. Before we play the strumming, we have a verse play to play, and actually we can actually go with the strumming there as well, because you have 2 options. I would suggest you play the melody. We're gonna come to that soon, but you can also play it with some strumming. So if you go that way, you're gonna play G, 2 string browns, B minor 1, and A1 like this. Okay, so you're gonna play it for 2 times, but that is the strumming version. Now let's go into the melody, what I suggest you play. And you gotta play like this. That is 1 round. So we have the melody, and what I want you to do here is to focus on the G string. That's pretty much where everything happens. And on the G chord, you have that 3rd fret E string in the bass, and that's all you need to have as far as bass going on. And I suggest you hold that with the mid finger, because we're gonna work around that finger. So mid finger, and then you're gonna use your index and ring finger or little pinky to go around it. Okay, so you have downs here just to work with, because that is the easiest way to get these notes. And when we play these notes, we want to think as supported string as well. So the D string above, even if the melody goes on the G, but the D string above is kind of supported string to give that bass together with that 3rd fret E string. Okay, so that is the idea here. Now, you're gonna play on the melody on the G string. So 2nd fret, G string, once. Then 4th fret, 2 times. Then 3 times back on that 2nd fret, G string. Then 4 times on that 4th fret, G string. then back to 2nd fret G, then open G, and that is the G part, okay? So it goes like this. Together with the supported string, bass. Then comes the B minor chord. You just hold a chord, and the note goes here on the 4th fret D string 3 times, like this. So 1, 2, 3, and then you go to A, and the note now is on the 2nd fret D string. In the same way as B minor, 3 times. And that's 1 round. So slowly, like this. Tempo. Sounds much cooler than just the strumming, but it's up to you. That is the verse play. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Then comes the pre-chorus, another 2 rounds of the same play. So verse play here, together with pre-chorus, you're gonna play 4 rounds in total. Then comes the chorus at 39 seconds in. We have a total of 4 rounds, so to speak. Now, just strumming, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That is what's going on. So the first 2 rounds, you're gonna play A2, B minor 1, and G1. So again, so A, B minor, and G. That is the first 2 rounds. Then the 3rd round goes A2, and then instead of playing the B minor, you go to D. Okay, so D1 and then G1. So round number 3 is A2, D1, G1. And then the 4th round is to play E2 and G2. That's it. And then we have finished 1 round. The 2nd round is just repetition, guys. No changes at all. You just play in the exact same way. Verse play, pre-chorus, and chorus. After that 2nd chorus comes the bridge part. We now hit the 2 minute and 10-second mark. What you're going to play now is the strumming. And you're going to play E2, A2, E2, and G2. So. And that's it for the bridge. Then the final parts will be to play the 3rd chorus in the exact same way as the previous choruses, no changes for that. And then the outro, you're gonna play the verse play, 2 rounds, and that is the end of it. Henrik, Soft Spot, great song. Thank you, Leah, for being here on this channel. And yeah, just because you got your song right now, you can still, if you haven't subscribed to my new channel, go subscribe to that, ask for a new song, and you're into that list again. So never quit. You can be here several times on this channel, and yeah, to get higher chances, I will put you on the list higher up if you subscribe to my new channel. I need your help, guys, so go and help me out. See you soon. Till next time, play tuned.